fly, yeah, I'm feeling high tonight. The vibe is like crazy, I'm feeling like, oh my god. The sun just went down, we're partying all night long. Feeling like crazy, think I might be getting drunk. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go. Got about to go up like smoke. Up through the roof, here we go. The party's so wild, they can't even handle my smile. The coke has been taken.
Uh, Good day, sir. Who are you, and can I help you? I'm your neighbor from next door. How good. I'm just here to tell you that you're disturbing the neighbors with your song. Yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry if I've been causing nuisance to you and your family. Please, can you just keep it down? I'll try to keep the noise down. I'll take my leave. Thanks. Bye. Oh, it's you again. Again. Sorry, if I may ask, are you throwing a large party inside here? Party? There is no party going on in my house. I was at my house and I'm hearing this huge noise of tables and chairs, looking like you guys are throwing stuff up. Like, oh, are you? No, that was just me. I just lifted my chair up and positioned it the way I like it because I didn't like the position it was before. Your furnitures are disturbing the neighbors. You can't seem to do anything with all this loud noise. I'll try to keep the noise down. Okay. I'll take my leave now. Thanks. Bye. This guy's getting on my nerves like it's crazy. Me? Oh God. Oh, it's you again. What brings you by this time? Sorry to bother you again, but is there like a classroom inside here? Or is it just you? Classroom? There is literally no classroom inside here? No. I'm not being nosy or stuff, but I heard huge people, is that like just like a group of class of students throwing papers at each other like I was just reading a book. No one was throwing papers inside my house. They follow me. There's nobody inside here with me. Okay, but that paper sound is making a hell of noise, so I'm advising you just keep it down. You know, for the neighbors, I'll try to keep the noise down. Okay, goodbye. Have a great day. I basically can't do anything in my house anymore. Like I'm just jailed in my own house. How interesting. You know what? This guy may be spying on me. That was strange. Aha! I got you! I knew you were spying on me.
Yes.
No. I wasn't spying on you.
Care to explain what you're doing at my door?
I just came here to look for something I dropped off, which is I found it. So we're down here. So, but hey, come back here. Shut the door. Okay. I'm gonna complain right now. The thing I'm trying to get is that why are you doing this? Like, why are you all of a sudden spying on me? Like, why? The reason I've been spying on you for an hour or two It's because I'm lonely. So you're lonely? I'm home alone and I got no friends, nobody to play with, so the only way I could get off my boredom is just spying on other people. Like you. You think you're lonely. I'm also lonely too. Like, I've been sitting around here doing nothing other than listening to music and reading some dumb books. Like, I have no friends too. And so, if you don't mind, you want to join me? Really? Yeah. That'd be awesome. Cool. Let's go.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go. About to go up loud smoke. Up through the roof, here we go. The party's so wild, I can't even handle my smile. The coke has been taking me mild. I can't stop now. I'm feeling as plump as a cow. I'm loving